Got an idea, a website, app, or a product to launch, but the moment you try to build it, it turns into 10 tools, 15 tabs, and hours of tutorials. Meet CodeMate AI, your AI coding agent that lives on your device. Whether you know programming or not, it helps you in going from idea to live application in minutes. Have changes to make? Ask CodeMate to make it for you. With one-click publish. Integrated in every part of your workflow. Working on a large code base? Collaboration has never been easier with CodeMate long-term persistent memory of your code bases. Works even when you're 35,000 feet above with no internet connectivity, running entirely on the edge. Learning to code? CodeMate Education explains errors, fixes bugs with you, and helps you understand the why, not just the what. Time to get your unfinished ideas out of your to-do list. Try it now at CodeMate.ai